Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Newport West and we're giving you a tour of one of the largest warehouses in Newport West. This is the Facey commodity warehouse. Now this facility was burnt down or damaged by fire back I think in 2021. But as you can see, they have rebuilt the facility and it is now operational again. So we are going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. After years of challenge and recovery, Facey Commodity has successfully completed and reopened its modern warehouse facility at Newport West, Kingston. The new warehouse, which replaces the one destroyed by fire in 2021, stands today as one of the most advanced distribution centers in Jamaica's logistics network. Its completion marks not only the company's return to full operational strength, but also a major step forward for the island's manufacturing and distribution sector. Facey Commodity, a subsidiary of the Separate Group, has long been a cornerstone of Jamaica's food and consumer good industry. The company distributes leading local and international brands to supermarkets, wholesalers, and retailers across the island. When its original Newport West warehouse was gutted by fire, operations were severely disrupted, and hundreds of workers faced uncertainty. However, the company's management responded swiftly, securing temporary storage space and committing to rebuild a stronger, safer, and more efficient facility. Today, the new warehouse is fully operational. The facility spans approximately 100,000 square feet and features modern design elements that enhance productivity and safety. It includes high ceilings, over 40 feet in some areas, to accommodate tall racking systems and impose storage efficiency. State-of-the-art fire suppression systems, energy-efficient lighting, and upgraded electrical installations have been incorporated to meet international safety and environmental standards. The layout also allows for smoother logistics flow, faster loading and unloading, and better working conditions for staff. The reopening of the warehouse has had a positive impact across multiple sectors. It has restored stability to Jamaica's supply chain for fast-moving consumer goods, ensuring reliable distribution to supermarkets and stores island-wide. In the aftermath of loss, Facey Commodity has turned adversity into achievement. The finished and operational warehouse at Newport West stands as a symbol of corporate determination and national progress. It proves that with the right investment in modern infrastructure and safety, Jamaica's manufacturing and distribution sector can recover stronger than before. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.